When I started at Bio 2 months ago, I said we would tackle big issues. This is one. On Memorial Day weekend, George Floyd went to the store and never got home after police detained him. With phones rolling, the world watched in horror as he begged for his life. His death and others reignited the smoldering embers of generations of injustice towards Blacks and communities of color. I decided to pursue medicine nearly 30 years ago because of a burning desire to have a positive impact on my community. Health disparities for people of color, then and now, were prevalent, and it was my hope that I would use my skills to help improve the patient experience and improve patient outcomes. Now, the COVID pandemic has reminded us again in stark detail that the impact of diseases on communities of color is also unequal. As I have said before, America is plagued with a chronic disease, the disease of systemic racism. For reasons that are still not entirely understood, Black Americans have suffered a much higher rate of infection and die from COVID at 3 times the rate of their white counterparts. But COVID is just the latest in a long line of diseases that show stark disparities in health outcomes. As leaders in the life science industry, it is critical that we meet these challenges and injustices head on. And so, today, we are launching what we are calling the BIOEquality Agenda, a challenge to our industry to fully address these issues of injustice now and in the future. We call it Justice Through Equity. There are 3 main areas that we simply have to address: patient access to life-saving medicine, the shortage of minority scientists in this biorevolution, and making sure that the booming biotech economy includes all parts of our society. So the BIOEquality Agenda has 3 pillars: promote health equality and access to medicines and in ensuring diversity in clinical trials, invest in the current and next generation of Black scientists and entrepreneurs, expand the opportunities for women, Black people, and other minority populations in the growing bioeconomy. Promote, invest, expand. Over the next several years, we will be aggressively pursuing the BIOEquality Agenda by any means necessary, and that means through education, collaboration, and advocacy. Our efforts will seek to challenge our companies, the government, and yes, even ourselves, to make diversity more than just a word or a program, but a true part of who we are and what we stand for. Together, we will make change, and science will be the better for it. For more details on the BIOEquality Agenda, please visit www.bio.org and join us while we develop this plan and help make our world a better, stronger, and more inclusive place.